Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Titan XD. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty, capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear step bumper, sunroof, towing package, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.